Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 17 May 2018, 17 of hour, 32 of minute and 30 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what are 3 safety rules to follow when an earthquake strikes? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what are 3 safety rules to follow when an earthquake strikes. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what are 3 safety rules to follow when an earthquake strikes. Drop down, take cover under a desk or table and hold on. Stay indoors until the shaking stops and you're sure it's safe to exit. Stay away from bookcases or furniture that can fall on you. Earthquakes 101 Earthquakes are unpredictable and can strike with enough force to bring buildings down. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.